Okay, let's ask him to stop. Good boy. All right, let's ask him to go. All right, you think we can get a trot out of him?
With help, yes.
Yeah?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, you can do it. Keep doing it. Come on. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Nope. I don't know if he's with you or if you have to just... Come on. Come on. You see what's coming? You better go.
Okay, now bring him down to a walk.
Easy.
And a stop.
Oh.
Good boy.